If x, y, and z are three consecutive odd integers such that 30 is less than x is less than y is less than z is less than 40, and if y is a prime number, what is the value of x times y? Let's start this problem off by first listing off the possible values for x, y, and z. From the problem statement, we know these three numbers are consecutive odd integers between 30 and 40. That means the smallest value x could possibly be is 31. From the problem statement, we also know that x, y, and z are three consecutive odd integers. Therefore, if we know x equals 31, then y equals 33 and z equals 35. But this is just the first option, option 1. There are others. For instance, what if x wasn't 31, but the next largest odd integer between 30 and 40, which would be 33? And since we know the variables y and z are the next two odd integers following x, we know their values are 35 and 37, respectively. The third and last option is determined in the same manner, where x equals 35, y equals 37, and z equals 39. We can't create a fourth option because that would mean z would have to increase yet again above 39, and that would violate the given constraint that z is an odd integer less than 40. Next, we look at the second part of the problem statement where we read that y is a prime number. So let's list out the odd integers between 30 and 40 and determine which ones are prime and which ones are composite. After listing out the positive divisors for each number, we learn that only 31 and 37 are prime. Looking at our possible values for y, we notice variable y is either 33, 35, or 37 from the three options. From inspection, we notice that 37 is the only prime number of those three choices. This means the third set of numbers for x, y, and z are the only three numbers that meet the requirements of the problem statement. Now that we know the values of x, y, and z, we can calculate the answer of x times y as 35 times 37, which equals 1,295. The answer is C.